welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be doing such an awesome video. I just got to do something completely before we start. Okay, make sure you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. I don't know how to even say it. Notifications. What? I didn't even say it, guys. I don't know how. But make sure you also join the Blue Crew because it's very good. How to join the Blue Crew is you just gotta subscribe, guys. You just gotta subscribe to this channel. I'm just going to check on my phone today. Nothing really to do, guys, but I'm gonna make a TikTok, so guys. You guys need to check out my TikTok. It's Cornelius27 again. You go to my TikTok. Let me see what TikTok did I do. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now you do this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wait, it's not working. My computer not working. It does this a lot. It like doesn't work. But I better get a new keyboard. My keyboard doesn't work. I'm gonna have to record this again. I'm gonna have to record this again. Okay, I'm gonna go to this place. Go to this side. So I can record there. Oh my god. This is so damn not nice. Yeah, we go. Here's the stage. I think I'm gonna dance. Like one of my dance moves. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Do my dance moves? That's what whoa. Okay, I have these little ones, but these ones are like a price. I have yeah, you got okay. So I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I failed it. Oh my gosh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. That was cool. Okay, I'm gonna press post right now, guys. Look. I'm gonna press. Can you guys see my phone? Oh! You guys might think it's weird for a young one to get a phone. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna post 3, 2, 1. Oh, post. Okay. Here we go. Get post. Okay. So I don't know what to do right now, guys. I don't know what to do right now. Okay, I just posted it. Okay, so I don't know what to do in here. Maybe I should make some friends. But I'm gonna say hi to this guy. I'm gonna say a big hi. A big hi. Can I say 3, 2, 1? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. He's not responding. Respond. Okay, I'm gonna do this to him. Let me do this to him. Like 3, 2, 1. I almost recorded his voice. Okay, I'm going to this one. Oh, this is really sick. Guys, this is sick. How did this guy afford this house? Guys, this body place? Okay. Wow. What is this? Okay, there's a lot of people. What's this? Oh, can you guys hear me? Oh, I don't know about this thing. I clicked on the right. I'm gonna click on everybody and see how they look. Oh, okay. Alright. Should I do that? Okay. See, something is up here right here. Guys, the tracks. Okay. As soon as I... Okay, I hear a pound. Okay. He's not gonna respond back. Can I say? Okay, nothing. Oh, I'm gonna see my friends. Oh my god! No, ma. A bowl for my baby sisters. Oh yeah, my baby sisters. God knows for my baby sisters. They are twins. Yeah, I'm gonna check if I can just pick up. I'm gonna save my friend message. Sending you a message. What are you doing? Wanna play video games? Roblox video game. You respond to me when you see this. Ha 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 ha. And oh, there we go, guys. And here we go. I spelled the egg wrong. I gotta delete this part. Okay. Chad, do you wanna come over and play Roblox? There we go. I send it right there, guys. I don't know the. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, I'm gonna send him on my other friend who's on WhatsApp. He has another episode for Apple, but I just downloaded it. Here's the cute doctor. Ellie, do you wanna come over and play Roblox? Oh, it went wrong. I spelled it wrong. Okay, let me spell it. And there's an emoji. Okay, I'm gonna say that's what I said. And if you guys can see my phone is so crazy. Okay, I think I have to lift it higher. Can you guys see that? No. Okay. Oh my god, bro! Okay. So I don't know what to really do. Should I eat some pizza? Pizza? Okay, I'm standing on the table! Ha! Okay. That's very bad to do. I'm gonna eat this whole pizza up. Okay. Oh, click. I'm clicking the whole time, guys. Oh, it's gonna go up. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna ask Siri to tell me a joke. Siri, tell me a joke. Oh. She never talks. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke, Siri. No. She said no, I can. No, I can't. No, I can't. What? What does that even say? Yes, you can, Siri. Okay. I'm not Siri. I'm not Siri. What? Then what's your name? Zero. No, Zero. Zero, tell me a story. I'll tell you a story. Okay. Oh yes. I'm gonna. Okay, let's put it on my phone and we can lay it down there. Okay, so I don't know what to really do. What? Look at this cat! What? I'm gonna do something to it. I'm gonna make him talk. Okay, I'm gonna press this button and he's gonna talk. What did I say? Wait, 3, 2, 1. I miss the cat. What do you want to do, Nani? What? Aha! What? So I said what? Okay. I'm dancing. Leave me alone. What cat? What cat? What cat? What cat? The cat is weird. Okay. Boy, Zach. Why you? This cat is so annoying. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn into one of these people. Should I do it, guys? Should I do it? Should I do it? Do you need to do it, Robux? Oh my gosh! It's all. I have to have a little Robux because I use it all over that country. I'm gonna try try this one. Try this one. Whoa! Look at this one. What the? This one looks so scary. It's so scary. I actually like this one because it has a cape. I love it. Oh, these are girls. Oh, those are the boys. Oh, I didn't realize that. This boy looks cool. This one goes like this. Okay, guys. I think that will be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna put like, okay, I don't have his number. But bye, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace, bro.